Can your treating doctor come in and testify as your medical expert at a trial? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Can you bring that doctor in to talk about not just the treatment he's provided to you, but to come in and testify as a medical expert who has reviewed all of your records and then can now comment and critique the treatment that you had originally? The short answer is absolutely. The longer answer is it doesn't happen very often, and here's why. The reality is that most doctors who are treating you, they're known as a subsequent treating doctor. They typically will focus on getting you better. A lot of these doctors do not want to come into court and point a finger at another colleague. There are two real reasons why a treating doctor is not going to come in and testify in your behalf. Number one, they don't want to be pointing a finger at their colleague. The second reason why most doctors are not going to come into court is because they don't want to take an entire day out of their office schedule to come into court and spend the time talking to the jury. It's a huge, huge time drain. Not only do you have to prepare the medical records, you have to go through every single document that the patient has, you have to go through all the deposition testimony, and it could be a tremendous amount of records. What do we do in that instance? Then we have to go out and hire qualified medical experts in order to review all your records. They have to review all the deposition transcripts. They'll have to review all the medical records, any diagnostic films, and that will take a tremendous amount of time. And once the doctor has reviewed all of those records and reached various conclusions, if they support your claim, then we will use that particular doctor to come in and testify about the wrongdoing, come in and testify about the connection between the wrongdoing and your injuries, and what has occurred up until now. And of course, we will try and bring in your treating doctors to explain to the jury exactly what occurred from the time that you were injured up until now, the time that the case is coming for trial, and into the foreseeable future. So why do I tell you about this? I tell you about this to give you an insight and an understanding into how the legal process works here in the state of New York. Chances are you're watching this video, you must have questions and concerns about your particular matter. Well, if your particular matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have questions, what I want you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.